This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maribel McCaw. Nice 2-bedroom, 2-bath home and family neighborhood close to everything. Open floor plan with lots of potential. 1-car carport. Front courtyard is the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee. Tenant in place month to month, so perfect investment potential, or move right in and make it your own. Please do not disturb tenant. This is a 55+ community. For more information, review the details below or contact Maribel McCaw at 954-449-2700.